morning guys, so I'm back in KL, and this video, when you see it, it will be a few days after I posted all the Johor marathon detailing videos. So today I'm gonna do a wash and wax maintenance for one of my clients, Subaru BRZ in blue. So stay tuned and I will show you guys the cinematic, and hope you guys like the video. So guys, as you can see in the cinematic sequence on the Subaru or Subaru BRZ, if you are from the US, yeah, the cinematic sequence of me doing the maintenance wash and decontamination, and I did a light polish. If you notice in the video, that is because there was a small dent on that specific part, and my client decided to send it for a dent repair, paintless dent repair, but apparently the paintless dent repair actually damaged the paint a little bit, and then he tried to use some kind of polish to rub on it and created some scratches. So I polished the area and recoated it with a new layer of the coating, the same coating that is already on the paint. So other than that, everything is done. So I just arrived home, and I'm going to use my longboard to go outside of my house to buy some food, and then come back and edit some videos, and then that will be my day. So maybe I should show you guys my longboarding. Yeah, maybe I will show you guys the longboarding before I end the vlog, right?